The developer preview 5 of Android P, the ninth installment of Android's major OS upgrades, has been ported to our beloved Redmi Note 5 Pro. Yes, and this is no theme or anything. This is the actual P GSI ported directly from the Pixel XL. GSI means generic system image, so I'll be referring to it as GSI for the rest of the video. I know what you're going to say. I am late. I am super duper late. But hear me out on this one. Android P GSI's initial builds were, let's say, initial and not at all daily driver friendly. VoLTE was not working initially. The P gestures, which are the heart of the Android P upgrade, were not working at all. Plus many other teeny bit of things like Gcam was not working and GPS was not working. But now all these things have been fixed and it is a daily driver friendly device now. So let's boot up our device. Until then, treat your eyes with the beautiful intro and let's begin with the eccentric text Android P GSI Developer Preview 5 review for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. First things first, you need an unlocked bootloader and TWRP recovery installed on your device to install this Android P GSI. And second thing, how to install it, there's a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check that video. You'll know how to install Android P. On every boot you see this beautiful animation, and this is the official Google animation, boot animation. After that, you see this message from the system, which tells you that you are enrolled in the Android P beta program. This message is just awesome and reminds us that we have been successfully ported an Android P beta, which is only available for Pixel, Pixel 2 XL or Pixel XL devices. So we're done. Let's now get to the important things now. What is working? What the things are working fabulously, and what are not working are just not working. So yeah, if that makes any sense. Let's begin with the gestures. Firstly, Android P gestures are working fabulously and no hiccups and nothing, no problems at all. The next thing you see is GPS. Yup, that working. Actually, I used GPS for about 6 hours yesterday and I was able to do most of the things with GPS and location was correct. Gcam or Google Camera is working perfectly. VoLTE, which was not working recently but it has been fixed by awesome developers. Also, Wi-Fi and 4G LTE is working. The next thing you want is fingerprint. Fingerprint scanner is working. Flashlight is working. OK Google command is not working at the moment, but it is going to get fixed soon. The next thing is Google Pixel Blue Accents. Yup, with the new vendor zip, Google Pixel Blue Accents have been ported to Redmi Note 5 Pro 2, which is just awesome, I would say. Also, battery life is one of the major concerns while installing a custom ROM, and here the battery life is, I would say, above average. You can get anywhere about 4 to 5 hours of SOT if you are using it normally, no heavy works. But if you install the no-name kernel, which has been developed by Marin, that's the name of developer, you will be able to get 1 or 2 hours more with the SOT. And if you're working on heavy usage like me, playing games, using YouTube for long time, using GPS, you might get anywhere around 4.5 hours to 5 hours with the no-name kernel installed. Also, some people are having problems like force close, as well as some sensor aren't working, but fortunately I'm not one of them and many people are not one of them, so you don't need to worry very much and you can go ahead and install this without taking any problems because these aren't actually existent. One big thing is that our device actually shows Pixel XL because it has directly been ported from Pixel XL, no themes or anything. So yeah, to conclude whatever I've said in the past 5 minutes is that what are you waiting for? Go ahead, install it if you have an unlocked bootloader and TWRP and some flashing experience. Also, you guys own a Redmi Note 5 Pro, you should join the Telegram groups which I've linked in the description. These groups are for our device and it will keep you up to date with all the news and everything regarding our devices, because it's just awesome to find it there, and people there are way more supportive even than XDA themselves. And this was all for this video. This had been an awesome route, and this had been an awesome experience installing Android P. Also, the normal P features like rotation, auto rotation, icon in the nav bar and other things are working flawlessly. There, nothing is there to worry about. Also, the dark theme which was introduced in Developer Preview 5 is working, and I'm telling you, no major problems in this build. So that was all from this video, and I'll see you soon. I have actually exams right now for 10th standard, so I'm not able to post frequently, but I am not going to stop it. I'm not going to stop it ever. So guys, subscribe to this channel and keep up to date with the devices, news and latest updates to any tech things you want. So that's me, Tan Srivastava, signing off, and this is Eccentric Tech. Peace.